Iman, strong, Salatul Zakah, Al Quran, Messenger Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, family, mother, father, sister, brother, wife, husband, my family, Iman, strong, Salatul Zakah, Holy Quran, Muhammad Messenger Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is strong, is very good, is very beautiful, very strong. No Salah, no Quran, no Messenger Muhammad, no strong family, no very nice, no very fine family, brother, mother, sister, wife, family, society, no strong, no Islam, no Quran, no Messenger Muhammad, no Salatul Zakah, no strong Iman, no strong family, no strong society. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.